Hi dears, in last class we completed the exercise 2.1. Now we will move to the exercise 2.2. 2.2 first two sums is book work. First sum you have to see. First one, which of the drawing A to D shows? Okay, they are giving some fractions. We want to match with this figure. Okay, see the first one. First one is 2 into 1 by 5. That means 2 of 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 வந்து 2 time இருக்க figure. 2 of 1 by 5, 2 into 1 by 5 அந்த 1 by 5 வந்து 2 இருக்க figure இது. இங்க பாருங்க 1, 2, 3. இதில் வந்து 2 by 3 தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இங்கே எல்லாமே 2 by 3. இது பாருங்க 1 by 2. இது பாருங்க 1 by 4. So இங்கே பாருங்க 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts 1 ஷேர் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. So 1 by 5. இங்கே ஒரு 1 by 5. So 2 1 by 5 இருக்கிறது இது D. So இதுக்கு மேட்சிங் ஆனது என்ன? D. This is the answer is D. Okay, second sum is 2 into 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 வந்து 2 time. Double time. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Where it is? B sum. So the answer is B. Here 3 times 2 by 3. So 2 by 3, comma 2 by 3, comma 2 by 3. Okay. See here. 1, 2, 3. 3 parts here. 2 parts is added. So 2 by 3. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2 by 3. So the match para third one is A. Okay. Next one is fourth sum. Fourth sum is 3 into 1 by 4. That means 1 by 4 wants to come 3 times. Okay. See here third one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. So 1 part is added. So 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is coming 3 times. So the pair of fourth one is C. Okay. Like this we are going to do for second sum also. See here. Some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them shows. Okay. This also same as this only. See here. 3, 1 by 4. 1 by 5. That means 1 by 5 wants to come 3 times. See here. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts. 1 part is added. Okay. So the part for first one the pair is C. As well as they gave 3 by 5 also. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts, 3 parts is added. So first one is equal to C. Then second one 2 into 1 by 3. That means 1 by 3 want to come 2 times. See here A1 1, 2, 3. 3 parts. 1 part is added. So 1 by 3. Okay. 1 by 3 is coming 2 times, as well as here also 2 by 3. So pair of second one is A. We know the balance is B only. So for third one B only the answer. 3 also I will give explanation. See here 3 into 3 by 4. That means 3 by 4 wants to come 3 times. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 by 4 it is coming 1, 2, 3 times. Okay. Equal to part is 2, 1 by 4. That means 2 parts is colored. 2 portions is colored fully. 1 more is colored by 1 part only. See here 2 figures is colored. Next figure 1 part is colored. Okay. This is equal to third sum. Okay. Now I completed first 2 sums. So we will move to the third sum. Third sum is this only the third sum. I am going to work out in your note. You have to listen here. In third sum, they gave 10 sums. I am going to work out 3 sums alone. Balance is homework for you. Okay, that's why I am showing the book page. You just refer the question by this. Okay, now we will move to the third sum. Third sum. Multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. They gave two fractions. We want to multiply this and reduce it to lowest form and convert as a mixed fraction. Okay, this is fraction multiplication. Fraction multiplication, how we want to do? See here. Here 7 into 3 by 4. First I am changing the first number as a fraction. That means there is nothing in denominator, means we can write as a 1. So 7 by 1 into 3 by 5. I am going to multiply now. While multiplying you have to multiply directly. No need to consider the denominator. In addition and subtraction only we want to equalize the denominator. I am going to multiply now. 7 3s are 21 divided by 1 5s are 5. That's all. This is the multiplication. This is over. Now I am going to convert this as a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction 21 5 4 5s are 21. This one we will write as a 5 4 1. This converting as a mixed fraction you already know in the 6th itself. Okay. Once again I am giving the explanation in Tamil. See here. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும்னா இந்த 7 into 3/5 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. 7ங்கிறத ஒரு ஃப்ராக்ஷனாக சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுறோம். எப்படி ஃப்ராக்ஷனாக சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுறோம்? டினாமினேட்டில் எதுவுமே இல்லை என்ன எழுதுவோம்? 1 எழுதுவோம். ஸோ 7/1 into இந்த 3/5. ஓகேவா? அடிஷன்லேயும் சப்ராக்ஷன்லேயும் தான் என்ன பண்ணணும்னா டினாமினேட்டர் வந்து ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கா அப்படிங்கிறத பார்க்கணும். பட் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன்லாம் பார்க்க தேவையில்லை. டேரெக்டாக நீங்கள் நியூமரேட்டரையும் டினாமினேட்டரையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிடலாம். ஸோ 7 3s are 21. 1 into 5 5. That's all. Okay, I have mixed fraction convert பண்ணிருக்கேன். Now we will move to the next sum. Next sum is fifth sum. Here they are in the first sum they gave the whole number in first. Now they gave the whole number in the second. Okay, so 2/3 into 4 we can write 4/1. Okay, now I am multiplying 2 4s are 8 divided by 3 1 is 3. Okay, we will convert this as a mixed fraction. 2 3s are 6. Balance 2. Okay, so we will write 3 2 2. Okay, I am going to use ninth sum. Ninth sum also same, 13/1 into 1/3. Now I am multiplying 13 divided by 3. Divide 13 inside, 3 outside. 3 4s are 12. Balance 1. Okay, so 4 1/3. If you convert this as a improper fraction means it will come 13/2. That's all dears. The class is over. In balance sums you have to do as a homework. Okay, in next class we will continue the fourth sum. Thank you dears.